What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about XRP in this video because I have a feeling, right? XRP is going to make a move soon. I don't know exactly why. Honestly, it's like just one of those inklings, right? One of those things that you just believe that there's going to be some sort of a larger move. Typically, you've seen XRP remain kind of flat while everything is running, meaning that it's kind of gearing up for something special, something large to happen. And we've seen that in the past, more notably in like 2017 when things really did pick up for XRP, and then even seeing different things that are happening while everything else is kind of staying flat, seeing XRP running because of different news that's happening. Now, I know a lot of people are upset about the fact that XRP is not doing basically anything today compared to the rest of the market. You know, seeing Bitcoin rise and Solana rise and things like Jasmy Coin rise and other things that are up by a hell of a lot. You want to see this major altcoin that people believe is going to be a major part of the cryptocurrency market make a move, make some sort of a move. 5%, 6%, 10%, just make us feel good about what we're holding, right? And it's tough because it's not doing that. And while it stays flat, I saw a lot of comments in the live stream today that were like, XRP is just, you know, it's annoying, right? The fact that it's not moving, it's very, very annoying because it feels like you may be missing out on a ton of gains because your money is here when it could be over there, right? I understand exactly what you mean. I understand where you're coming from. It's like a huge missed opportunity for you. But you should always leave some money in reserve so that you can find those opportunities while still seeing these long-term playouts, right? The reason why those end up working is because those had their long-term, play out where Solana over a year's time, you saw that pick up from a level of like $8 all the way up to, $120. And now is up to like 105 or 106 or something like that. A Bitcoin going from 15 or $16,000 all the way up to almost $49,000. So there's a lot to really take in there. And I understand. I understand where you're coming from, that you could be annoyed with this. So let's talk about XRP and why we truly need a win very soon. We need some sort of a win because there's a lot of people within the community that are annoyed with that movement or lack thereof. So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my Patreon or my Twitter account, those links are down below. Don't forget about Margex. If you guys want to start trading on Margex, you can trade XRP on Margex at a most of 50x leverage if you want to. You can also trade at a 5x leverage. That's how I've been gathering more XRP over this time. Also, if you want to check out my merch, if you want to check out my Profit Apparel merch, I have an XRP shirt that's over there. I think you can get it in white or in gray. So definitely go ahead and look that out. I look that up, and I also have an XRP millionaire shirt and hoodie. So if you want to check those out, again, those links are in my description. But let's talk about XRP, right? It's definitely a topic of conversation in a lot of my videos because it's one of my largest holdings, if not my largest holding right now. Not the largest amount that I've invested, but the largest holding right now. It's about $10,000, $11,000 that I'm currently holding, and it's because I truly believe in what the position will be, and it is a like top tier position when it comes to market cap. Like it's up there, $28,000 or $28 billion worth of a market cap, and we believe it can go up to 250 billion, 280 billion, 2 point something trillion, right? People believe that this can go to these levels because of all the things that are set up for it. Now, it's not a given, but we know that it could happen, right? So anyways, where is XRP right now? XRP is currently standing at 52 cents. It's up 1.6% on the day, while the entire market is up by 3.27%. So definitely underperforming compared to the rest of the market. However, we are still seeing some positivity, which is definitely a good thing. Seeing this get up to about 52.4% or 52.4 cents. And I would love to see that grow to a lot higher level. Absolutely love to see that grow to a lot higher level. However, You know, it's just been flat lately. We have the litigation. The main reason as to why this is being held down is because of this litigation. And most people will say it's because of the dilution. We haven't seen any dilution in the last week, or we haven't seen anything that's there, unless it hasn't been reported. As far as what I see on CoinMarketCap, I haven't seen any form of dilution that goes into it. But I understand that is something that happens within the month, and we have an issue within the month seeing that much dilution go through, about 1 to 2% in the month that could be heavily diluted. But that's not the reason as to why it's just dropping down. It's because of the uncertainty. We know that XRP is not labeled a security, by law. The only one that's out there that's has this clarity. However, we don't have clarity with the entire case. And I don't think we have a win. Anytime we do have a win, the SEC kind of takes it right back. It's like them giving us $100 and then just snatching it back right after we receive it and get excited. Like, that's what it's like. And it honestly is tiring. It's tiring to go on there and see different updates with the case, and you're like, okay, there's more SEC drama and talking about how the SEC gets a slight win, and it's just not looking good for this position. It's not looking good for Ripple, and a lot of negativity. But we just want positivity. We just want to see Ripple make a move, and I think I truly believe that we have something big coming. I don't I don't know exactly why. I don't think it's going to be a settlement per se. I don't think we're going to see the final decision before that final decision date. But I think we have something big coming, and I can't wait. I'm going to keep searching for what that could be, but it's stalling out or staying flat so much that when you see things that are flat this much, especially with XRP's history, you've seen it pump up, you've seen it push, you've seen it run to way higher levels. So that's what I'll say. Again, this is not saying that this will 100% happen. I'm not telling everybody to buy into this position. You don't have to buy into the position. I believe that this is going to move just based on the different research that I've done within the position. This is definitely a different video. It doesn't really go into many of the facts, more into a lot of speculation into what may happen in the coming months. And I know somebody asked me about whether I believe XRP is going to get to a certain level by February, end of March. And I honestly don't know, but I do think we're going to see some of these levels or approach some of these levels of 90 cents to a dollar, and that's just to kind of give us a little bit of a glimpse of what's going to happen, and then it may end up retracing from that point, taking some of it away, but it'll show us exactly what we wanted to see, which is XRP has a life, right? So guys, let me know what you think about this. Am I out of place by just putting this out there, or do you truly believe that XRP will have this move coming soon? Because it's been a while since we've seen anything. I know we have the final decision. We don't have anything really in the middle of that. We could have a settlement, but it doesn't look like we are even close to any type of settlement by any means. So let me know your thoughts. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go and check out the XRP merch down below, as well as sign up for Margex if you're interested. And if you want to reach out to me directly, go over to Patreon. I answer all messages that are there, especially private DMs, also the community chat. So feel free to communicate with me over there, as well as the rest of the community. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.